Guys, today he gonna cook a curry tofu.
Yeah.
And we have the curry powder, salt,
Coconut milk.
coconut milk, and like a magic sarap, something like this. And then carrots and chili and onion
And garlic.
and garlic. And then a little.
We don't know.
And then tofu.
Maybe. I think not.
And I tried a little with my
This
tofu.
is the best tofu dish for me. I like this a lot. This is super delicious. Take some garlic in with it.
We cooking rice also.
Basmati rice, of course. Here. Last one. I think this big one. This is so good. Use what vegetable you have. You can use paprika. You can use flower kale. You can use whatever. Today we use some carrots. That's what we have. Do we have any other vegetables? I don't think so. Do we?
But hindi ko alam.
It's also one thing that is good that we don't have is actually to have some lentils in. A bit more garlic.
It's very
Move it
good.
around. Take some curry. Fry the curry. And with the tofu, delicious tofu. Wait,
Oh, and that one.
for this one.
Yeah.
Take on the turtle. Fry this around a little. More curry. Mm-hmm. This is a good tofu. Vegetarian. We have what we have. Mm-hmm. This is gonna use my phone. Water. Coconut milk.
It's still hot. Ito na. Ah, give me that.
Spaghetti. Salt. Some stirring.
Put on fire.